Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when you're trying to open your Microsoft Excel and it says not responding or not working. So please do finish watching this video because we will be learning how we can fix that problem. Okay, so let's get started. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to the settings. So we can do that by simply making a click here in our Windows icon and then go to settings. So once we're in the settings window, all we need to do is just to look for the apps option in the left pane. And once found, please click on that. So in here, you will see the first option, that's installed apps. We can uninstall and manage apps on your PC. So please click on that. And then the moment you do that, you will see all the applications that you have installed or you have added in your device. So in here, in this section, let's go to the M section and we will look for Microsoft Office. So I have here Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. So once you found the Microsoft Office in your device, please click on the three dot icon that you will see in the right side. So please click on that. So we can click on modify options here. So this user account control window will be coming up on your screen. If you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, please click on yes to proceed. So once you do that, you will be asked how would you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office programs. So this includes the Excel application in your device. So if you want to do an offline repair, so you can choose the first option, which says quick repair, fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. So please click on that button, and then ready to start a quick repair. So this another window will be coming up on our screen. So this shouldn't take very long, but you wouldn't be able to use your Microsoft 365 and Office programs until we're done. So you can click on repair and just make a quick restart with your device after doing that. Okay, so if you're still facing problems after doing that repair, we can go on with the next option. So again, let's click this three dot icon, then click again modify, and then click again yes. And then if the quick repair wasn't effective for you, then please proceed with the online repair where it fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout the repairing process. You can select this option if you are still having problems after a quick repair. So let's click repair, and then you will be asked if you're ready to start an online repair. So if you're on a metered connection, this may charge extra, so please keep this in mind while getting the online content. So after doing this repair, you can now make a quick restart with your device and then see if the Excel application is now working. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.